Hello, my beauties. My name is Kim, and I'm coming to you today to tell you about my pharmacy kit, my starter kit that I got. And this is what it looks like. I'm excited to get it. I started the 21st, but this makes it feel like it's official though. So let's see what's in this box. This box, the starter kit's $19.95. You can join pharmacy for just $19.95. So let's see what's in this box. Okay. First, we have our little kind of welcome letter. That's our new and dear entrepreneur. Then we have some Farmasi Shieldman face and eye cream samples. See those. And then we have the Opportunity Earn Well Pharmacy book, little booklet. It's got plenty of good information in there. Next we have Dr. C. Tuna's skincare guide, so that'll be great and very helpful, because I know they have a good skincare line, so this will be really helpful. Nice little booklet there, lots of good information. Next we have Pharmacy Makeup Color Chart. Oh, that's very helpful too. That's wonderful. This is the little book you get. It has the color chart. You can see in there it's got all kinds of different things. So that'll be very helpful. And then we have a little pharmacy gift bag. And we have another little pharmacy gift bag. Cute little bags. Next we have a sample of lipsticks. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in there that come in there, so that's great. And then we have a whole pack of rubber band together here of samples. So let's just see what all we have. We have the Farmasi Stay Matte Foundation samples. And there's 4 on each one, and here's the other one, so there's 8 total. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 on this one of the Dr. C. Tuna Revitalizing Shampoo and the hair mask. There's 2 of each of those. And these are more of the same, I think. Let's see, shampoo, and this is a little, mask, and the last one's oil. They're actually different. The first one's shampoo, the first 2 are shampoo, then there's a hair mask, and then there's hair oil. So there's those. And then the last one is the Dr. C. Tuna Double Effect, and I don't have my glasses on, so it's hard for me to tell, massage gel. And then it has the balm too, the soothing massage balm. So there are those. There's 4 of those. So you get all these samples in this little stack, and the nice little the nice little box it comes in to keep everything in. Rubber band these back together. And that's the lipstick and the gift bags and the great books in there, and more samples. and the welcome letter. And I also received 5 Dr. Tuna catalogs. And these are great. Those will be super helpful. And I can actually give these out. Well, actually, they're not just Dr. Tuna. It's Dr. Tuna on the back. But then when you turn around the other way, it's actually the Farmasi USA catalog. So, sorry, my lighting's not that great. So this is the Farmasi catalog, and it's got a lot of the products. It's got the perfumes, it's got the brushes, it's got the makeup, it's got everything in here. So this is a great little book. But I got 5 of those. So you get all that for $19.95 in your starter kit. I'll put my website link down below. If you join, you actually get 50% off all your products. And those products are already, you know, a good deal. I mean, they're very, very affordable. And then you get them for half price. So that's a great deal. And also you get 50% earnings on any products that you sell. So what other company gives you 50% commissions? I don't know of any. So that's a great deal. So even if you just want to join to get half off of your own makeup, that's a really good reason to join right there. But like I said, if you would like to join, I'd be glad to help you. I'm fairly new myself, but I have a good upline, and I'll be happy to help you out in any way that I can. My email will be down below, as well as, like I said, my link to join. And if you need anything, just give me a holler, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And I will be coming to you soon with some tutorials and demonstrations of the products. I'm really excited about that because I got a few products coming soon. So I'll probably do what's called a mini haul when I get those, but it shouldn't be too long now. So, and I've actually got, they're coming in 2 shipments, and I actually got one earlier today, and that's what I made up my face with today. Farmasi makeup. That's what I used today, is Farmasi makeup. And I think it is wonderful. I actually love it. I love everything that I ordered. I think I ordered, oh gosh, I had the eyeliner, I had the 3-in-1 palette. You can do your cheeks, you can do your eyeshadow, you can do all your contouring, your highlighting, your bronzer, everything with the 3-in-1 palette. And I also got some of the lip stain. So this color that goes on your lips, it won't come off. The only thing that's on there is the lip gloss I got on top of it. That makes it shiny. But as you can see, it's good lip stain. It does not come off. That is just lip gloss that's on there. I just put lip gloss on over top of it. But it's a great lip tint. And it's also can be used for your cheeks. And I got the eyebrow pencil, and I'm really happy with that. I really like the eyebrow pencil. Love the 3-in-1 palette. Just love everything about it. So I'm excited. I can't wait to get the other half of my shipment. And when I do, I will share with you everything that I received. And as I said, after that, hopefully I can do you a product demonstration and maybe a tutorial, especially for those women over 50. If you're like me and you have all this loose skin up here and you have hooded eyes like I do, and I can help you learn how to put on makeup to help makes your hooded eyes look good. So I'll be happy to help you with that. So I hope you'll stay tuned, and thanks for watching. You have a great day.